Moshe Rabbeinu is faced with a formidable challenge. The Jewish people are just about to leave the world of miracles of the desert, and they're about to move into Eretz Israel. The transition from a world of miracles into a world of nature. From a world in which the manna comes down from heaven to a world in which they need to sow the seeds in order to produce their food. A world in which they need to work. Not a world where things happen by themselves, but a world where you have to work in order for change to happen. How does Moshe Rabbeinu prepare them? What's the last thing? How does he prepare them for the challenge of entering the real world, entering Eretz Israel after spending 40 years in the desert? And this week in Parshat Mattot we read one of the final messages that Moshe Rabbeinu gives to the Jewish people. And you know what he teaches them? He teaches them the laws of vows. How to make a vow. Ish ki yidor neder Lashem o yishava shvua lesor isara nafsho. That if somebody wants to make a neder or make a shvua, if someone wants to make an oath, the Torah teaches us how to make an oath. How are these laws important right now? Why is it important for the Jewish people just before they enter the land of Israel to be taught how to make an oath? And the answer explains the Shem Shmuel, Rav Shmuel Bornstein of Sokochov. The answer is very simple. What is an oath? An oath is a remarkable way to effect change. If I have an apple and I say that this apple becomes hekdesh, this apple is now to be dedicated for the Beit HaMikdash, that apple, through my words, becomes a holy apple. If I decide that I'm not going to derive benefit from the actions of a particular person, and I say that I make an oath that I'm not going to derive benefit, it becomes forbidden for me, according to the Torah, to derive benefit from that person. The critical idea that we see from oaths is the power of the word. I can effect change through the words that come out of my mouth. If there's one thing that Moshe Rabbeinu wants to do for Am Yisrael, to prepare them for a world of nature, do you know what he needs to do? He needs to empower them. He needs to show them that they can effect change. And he does that by teaching them the laws of oaths. May we, like them, be blessed to find our own power to effect change and to make the world in which we live an even better place to live. Shabbat Shalom Uvorach.